Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter number 25. Last video we had discussed little syllabus. Okay, so I hope you have just waken up from a long sleep after term 1 exam. So start preparing. You have enough time. Still it's in your hand. You can start preparing and you can crack. Okay. So the adjoining figure shows two straight lines AB and CD. Okay, two straight lines AB and CD, and they intersect also at point P. Means two things you remember when the intersection is there: vertically opposite angle and sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so these two things will have to be applied here. So angle BPC, if you'll see, angle BPC is 4x minus 5 and angle APD is 3x plus 15 degree. Okay. So what we have to do is first we have to find out value of x, then APD, BPD and BPC. All these are angles. Okay. So let's start. See, always you have to see the figure diagram given in your textbook. Please, when I explain, keep your textbook in front of you for the figure. Okay. So this will go easier for you people. I hope you all understand. I want to keep it parallelly. Okay. But then again Kritika will tell Miss it was not clear. So let me, at least for Kritika. Okay. So this is, so the value of x. Now you know that angle BPC is equal to angle APD, or angle APD is equal to angle BPC. Why? Vertically opposite angle. So if I show this angle is equal to this angle, I can find out the value of x. So I have done the same thing here. Angle APD is equal to BPC. Reason is vertically opposite angle. 3x plus 15 degree is equal to 4x minus 5. That is the values are given here. So same way I have written. Transpose all x terms to LHS, all constants to RHS. So 3x minus 4x becomes plus, 4x becomes minus, and minus 5 was already there, plus becomes minus 15. So 3x minus 4x minus x, 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, so minus x. You know 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus x. Okay, minus 5 minus 15 minus 20. Minus minus gets cancelled and value of x comes is, value of x is 20 degree. Now let's see what is APD. Now second question that is asked is angle APD. You can see angle APD is given 3x plus 15. So I have written angle APD is 3x plus 15 and value of x is 20 degrees. So just substitute value of x here. So 3 multiplied by x. So 3 multiplied by 20 degree plus 15. So 320 is a 60 plus 15. 60 plus 15 is 75. So this is what is 3x. Value of x is 20. Then you have to solve it. Okay. Then third one. If you'll see, third one is angle BPD. Angle BPD. This one. Okay. So angle B, you know that. Now from the figure you can understand angle BPD plus angle BPC. BPC, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree because these two are adjacent angles. So adjacent angles are always supplementary. So angle BPD plus angle BPC equals to 180 degree. But what is angle BPD? Okay, we'll see here. That we have to find out. Angle BPD. Okay. So angle BPD is as it is plus 75 degree. Angle BPC you know is 75, will be 75 degree because we have found just a. Now you will say how come BPC came 75 degree? See here. BPC 75 degree. We have found APD. Second sub question was APD 75. So APD, if this is 75, this will be 75 because vertically opposite angle. So same reason I have written here. Okay, so I have taken BPC as 75 degree, transpose 75 to RHS, 180 minus 75, 105. Okay, and fourth is angle BPC. So angle BPC is 75 degree because You know reason, this is 75, so this will be also 75, vertically opposite angle. But if you still vertically opposite angle, if doesn't come in your mind, what you have to do is straightway solve. Angle BPC is 4x minus 5 degree, it is given. Yes, substitute the value. 4 into 20 degree minus value of x we have found in the first sub question. So 4 into 20 degree minus 5, so 420 is 80 degree minus 5, 75 degree. Okay. Next is question number 3. So question number 3 is very easy again. See, in the figure given alongside shows two adjacent angles AOB and AOC whose exterior sides are along the same straight line. Find the value of x. Exterior sides are along the same side, means BOC is a straight line. These two are adjacent angles. So you know how to find x. This plus this is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So reason is also there. So from the figure, angle AOB plus AOC equals to 180 degree. Angle AOB is 68 degree. You can see the figure. Plus 3x minus 20 degree. AOC's value is 3x minus 20 and AOB is 68. 180 degree. So what I have to do is just first I'll solve this part. Okay, LHS. So 3x I have segregated, plus 68 minus 20 means this x term and constant I have taken together. So 3x 68 minus 20 is 48 plus 48. So 3x plus 68 minus 20 is plus 48. Okay, so 3x plus 48 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 3x transpose plus 48 to RHS is became minus 48. So 3x is equal to 132 and x equals to 132 upon 3, that is 44. Okay. Now question number 4, I want to give you homework. Now you'll say, Arey Bapre, homework, what to do? How to solve? No, very easy. Each figure given below shows a pair of adjacent angles AOB and BOC. Now it is said that AOB and BOC are adjacent. Now you have to find out, even though if they are adjacent, whether their exterior arms OA and OC are in the same line. They are adjacent. Now see, if I will draw these two angles are also adjacent, but they are not straight line. Okay. Same way, these two, it is said that these two angles here, these two and here, these two are adjacent. But are they straight line? Now you will see how to find out. For straight line, what is important? The sum of these two adjacent angles should be 180 degree. So find out AOB plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. If the sum comes 180 degree, then they are AOC is a straight line. 97 plus 83 degree. Is the sum coming 180 degree? If yes, it is a straight line. If no, it's not a straight line. 88 plus 112 degree. Is the sum coming 180 degree? If the sum is coming 180 degree, then yes, it's a straight line. If it is not coming, then it's not a straight line. Okay, so that's the reason I have left you. You have to show whether it is LHS equals to RHS. LHS means this plus this is equal to 180. 180 is RHS. Okay, let me see how you do it. Last one. A line segment AP stands at point P, means there is a line segment. There is a line segment. On that line segment, AP line. A line segment AP stand at point P of a straight line BC. There is a straight line BC on which line AP is standing. Okay. Then angle APB is equal to 5x minus 40 degree and APC equals to x plus 10 degree. Find the values of x and angle APB. Very simple. Only thing is how you will draw the figure. Figure should be like this. You have to draw with pencil. Okay. BC is a straight line given in the question. AP is a line standing on line BC at point P. Okay. It is given APB is 5x minus 40 degree. And APC is x plus 10 degree. Question is find x and APB, angle APB. So you know that how to find x. BC, since BC is a straight line, 5x minus 40 degree. Angle APB plus APC is equal to 180 degree. Substitute the value of both the angles. So this is one angle. This is one angle. So segregate x terms to LHS, 5x plus x. LHS in the sense they are already in the LHS, just segregate constant and x terms. So 5x plus x minus 40 plus 10. Rest of the things as it is. So 5 plus x, 6x minus 40 plus 10 minus 30 equals to 180 degree. So 6x is equal to 180 transpose minus 32 plus 30 when it goes to RHS. We are segregating x and constants to LHS and right hand side. So 6x equals to, just add it, 210 degree, x is equal to 210 upon 6, that is 35 degree. 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 3, 30, 6 5s are 30, 35. Okay. Next question was, what, find the value of APB. Now from the figure you know APB is x plus 10. Sorry, APB is 5x minus 40. So 5x minus 40, substitute value of x from up. 5 into 35 minus 40. 5 into 35 is 175 degree minus 40 degree. So APB is equal to 135 degree. So here we have finished this exercise. And next we will be dealing with the properties of parallel lines. Okay. So revise, start studying for the second unit test. And those who are still in dreams, please wake them up that yes, again exams are nearby. So start preparing. Okay.